kikubor kibabnya. Mentri Tnad Pule Puthi rakam is sangma ula penlong ya kejing lang nin kesengi harengkat kejing don lang jong u advisor Tnad Pule Puthi iba HM sang pliang bat kiwei de kinong tray Tnad. Mentri Tnad Pule Puthi ula ang ba kidan palat kat prahajar ngut kinong ikai Meghalaya kibadai kibampat yo training. Haba pentip pelor kani usang ma ula ang ba ka sarkar jela kan sakerbat ikin ira Gandhi National Open University ignu bat ka National Institute of Open Schooling and IOS ban ai ki training syaki untrained teachers. Uni mentri ula pentip syusyu ba mentri nang ba ka jela konrat sang ma unsilam ya kan hon syanong ba Delhi bat unselai ikan do ya mentri Tnad Human Resources Development ka sarkar pedang banyakran halor kani kamat.
Yeah, more than 18,000. I don't have exact number figure right now with me. We'll be taking up this issue like to request the NIOS and the IGNU to give us more what you call to send our teachers to be trained in the IGNU and the NIOS, because we have the very limited seat in the state institution like DLA, the DIET. We will be going to Delhi to meet Union of Minister Human Resource Development along with our Honorable Chief Minister to discuss to price certain issues regarding to education department probably in the state, just for example CUT issues.
Usumbut CM jong ka KHASI